Hi guys, this is 2017 Toyota Hilux. This had a problem is two-wheel mode change malfunction, and visit your diesel. The light is flashing on the dash. So we have to check for the codes. The code is C1268. So it's saying transfer L4 position switch circuit. So we have to remove the actuator thing. Let's have a look. Hi guys, this is 2016 Toyota Hilux. So 1GD engine. So this one had a problem is the four-wheel light is flashing on the dash. So this one is a faulty actuator. So we have to replace this actuator. So we need to pull down the transfer case out, and here this propeller shaft out, and this one I already took off the propeller shaft, and you can hear this bolt undo it and take it out for the transfer case, and this side this bolt out, this one to take it out the transfer case. Guys, we undo the connector. So this is the connector of the vacuum hose over here, and we have propeller shaft. We have to undo this propeller shaft. Okay guys, we undo all the bolts. Okay, we undo all the bolts. One in left here, this side, the propeller shaft off. Okay guys, we already pulled out the transfer case. You can see in the seal. So okay, you got the transfer case. This is the front side. You have come another seal in here. Okay, this is the new actuator. We have to off the 30mm nut and pull out the propeller shaft, please. So then we have to undo all the bolts. Okay, we undo all the bolts. Now get the heating. We have to off this 10mm Allen key. this too, and you can see the lock, one lock in here, another lock in here. So we undo this clip already. Let's go it in here. So you can see here underneath it's another clip there in here. We have to undo that clip also. Okay guys, we found the problem. You can see here is the ball, the magnet. This one is stuck. We can't move this shaft. It's not coming out. Okay guys, here's the problem. You can see the shaft in here. It's a damage. Pin. This pin stuck in here. Sand, this one inside. Okay, we're going to install the new shaft.